That's right, we're at the airport, but we aren't flying home today. Today we're off to the Dry Tortugas. If you're gonna go there, you may as well go in style. So today, we are taking the seaplane. This is a bucket list trip for me. It's likely to be a one and done, so we really want to do it up right. The seaplane is an adventure in its own right. You'll get a narrated tour showing you turtles, sharks, 2 shipwrecks, and a great view of the national park itself.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive.
The fort was constructed in the 1860s but was never completed. More modern technology ended the need for a fort protecting the Gulf. It ended up being a prison during the Civil War before becoming a national park.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
Alright, here we are at Fort Jefferson. I'll tell you what, the views here are amazing. If you've never been here, you've got to check it out. The snorkeling is supposed to be the best in the state, and let me tell you, this place, even with a couple of ships full of people and a few seaplanes full of people, is still fairly empty, and you can get around and do whatever you need to do without feeling crowded. So it's located on the Dry Tortugas, and one interesting fact about that is it used to be just called the Tortugas, but they updated the maps to show dry to imply that there's no water to be found here, or no drinkable water. So it's pretty crazy. The fort was built so long ago, and back then they didn't believe in safety rails or anything like that. So you can just walk right up to the edge, and it is a long way down. So I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but I'm going to point him out. There was a giant shark just swimming, just onto the inside of the seawall here, like 10 feet from swimmers, and they had no idea. You'll shoot your eye out, kid. So the sign says this is the chapel because the masonry is so nice in here. The visitor center contains the gift shop, as well as the only spot on the island with air conditioning. That was really cool. We'll have to come back here. So they say some of the best snorkeling is over here by these pilings. They say that lots of fish, and you'll see all kinds of things because coral has built up on them. It doesn't get much better than this. Thank the seaplane for the drinks. You won't find anything else on the island. Boy, unlike in Key West, the water is nice and chilly here. I think it must be because we're farther out in the Atlantic. Here comes our plane. We'd better race back ahead of the storm for our 1 o'clock departure. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time here at the Weekend Experience.